Happy New Year. And if you want to be in the top 10% of people who actually keep their New Year's resolutions, let's go ahead and take care of those houses. Get those houses all fixed up because maybe you're thinking about selling, maybe you're thinking about selling in about 5 years. It's always good to take little bites at this and get it all taken care of so you don't have to look at a big bite at the end. We can help you at the Trusted Toolbox with a number of things around there, including this month we included what an ROI looks like on all the projects you could be considering around your home. Go check those things out because they are really powerful. It really tells you that you're truly investing in your number one personal and professional asset that you've got in your portfolio. We want to see you at our home show that we're going to be in on January 23rd through the 25th at the Infinite Center. You can come check us out there in Duluth. And if you want to give a ticket, you can just contact our office. Let us know beforehand, and we'll leave your tickets at will call with your name on it. We'd love to see you there as we're going to show off a number of things that we do around there. As always, we're here to help. We want to make sure that you are helping your home keep that New Year's resolution of keeping it up, keeping it fit, and making sure that it's going to be in the best shape ever at the end of 2026.